But anyway, and I still need subscribers. Subscribe to me if you want more videos like this, recipes, how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, and natural home remedy videos, affirmation videos, live prayer. We also will have some material on deliverance, but it's not in the church type way. It's more like just experiences, story time, etc. So subscribe to Alexa Rose, subscribe to me, make me go viral, please. And it's not that I want any fame or anything. Seriously, I really don't. I used to when I was little. It's really more about the money. It's about the money. It's about the money. And I really need that money, y'all, for real. I want to go viral like the ones that are like really bringing home money. I ain't talking about no damn $126 a month. I'm talking about I want the money. Help me, help, help. We did this for you. It's so hot. So please help me. Subscribe to me. Watch my videos. It ain't gonna hurt you. You watch a lot of other garbage. But anyways, I have some just, you know, simple videos like what to do with old bread type videos, affirmation videos, prayers. Just come on now.
Can't take no more.
You can't take any more? All right. So that ends our video, but she still owes us. You'll owe me $100 if you can't tell me, sing how hot that was. Sing how hot it was. You so shy, because I wouldn't want to give me $100. We bet. We bet you got to be a woman of your word. You got to be a woman of your word.
It was hot.
You can't be so shy. It was hot. How hot was it? How hot was it?
It was hot, Mom, for real, though.
Okay. All right, y'all. Stay tuned to me. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, more cool, cheap recipes. See me make some cheap recipes and show you some little, I don't know what to call it because I don't like to use the term ghetto or nothing like that. I hate that term. But you know what I'm saying. Economy type, cheap, lazy meals at home, okay? So subscribe to me. Subscribe right now. Subscribe. You see that button. You see that button. You better hit it. And you better look up. No, I'm just joking. Don't let me stop before you not subscribe. Well, will you pretty please subscribe to me? Because I just want to get the money and subscribe to Alexa Rose. Beg them. Sing one more thing for them. If you want them to say, sing it. You got to sing it. You got to sing it. Say, subscribe to me.
I can't even breathe over here.
Okay, all right. That's the end. We love you. And we subscribe back. If you subscribe to us and let us know that you are a new subscriber, we subscribe back. Bye.